Consider this: what happens when the sacred vows of marriage, those promises of fidelity and trust, shatter under the weight of infidelity? How do couples navigate this storm, and is it possible to emerge stronger on the other side? Welcome to this exploratory journey into a topic that, although uncomfortable, is incredibly significant. Today we delve into infidelity and its impact on marriages, offering insights from relationship experts and therapists. So what is infidelity? Broadly speaking, infidelity refers to a breach of trust within a relationship, usually through a form of emotional or physical betrayal. It often leaves a trail of heartbreak, confusion, and anger. Helen Fisher, a renowned anthropologist, explains that humans are not naturally monogamous, yet we continually strive for monogamy due to societal pressure and personal values. This dichotomy can lead to infidelity, but it's important to remember that infidelity is a symptom, not the disease. It often points to deeper issues within the relationship. When an incident of infidelity comes to light, the first instinct might be to let anger and hurt dictate your actions. However, relationship therapist Esther Perel advises against hasty decisions. Instead, she encourages individuals to take time to process their emotions, understand the reasons behind the betrayal, and decide what they want moving forward. So, how can couples rebuild their relationship post-infidelity? According to Dr. Janice Abrams-Spring, a clinical psychologist and author of After the Affair, recovery involves three phases: atonement, attunement, and attachment. During the atonement phase, the unfaithful partner must show genuine remorse and take full responsibility for their actions. They must be willing to answer their partner's questions honestly and openly. In the attunement phase, both partners must work together to rebuild trust. This involves open communication, understanding each other's needs, and creating a safe space for vulnerability. Finally, in the attachment phase, the couple moves towards rebuilding their emotional and physical intimacy. They create new memories, reestablish their bond, and work towards a stronger relationship. Remember, this journey is not linear and requires patience and perseverance. It's equally important to remember that professional help can make a world of difference. Therapists and counselors can provide valuable insights and techniques to navigate these challenging times. In conclusion, dealing with infidelity is undoubtedly one of the most challenging experiences a couple can face. However, with understanding, patience, and professional guidance, it is possible to rebuild trust and intimacy. Remember the wise words of relationship therapist Esther Perel: "The quality of our relationships determines the quality of our lives." So make the effort to understand, to forgive, and to rebuild, because at the end of the day, love is about choosing the same person over and over again, even when the going gets tough. This exploration into the impact of infidelity on marriages has revealed that betrayal can be a symptom of deeper issues within the relationship. It's important to take time to process emotions, understand the reasons behind the betrayal, and decide on the next steps. Recovery involves atonement, attunement, and attachment. And remember, professional help can be invaluable during this difficult journey. Thank you for joining this exploration. Here's to healthier, stronger relationships.